Good afternoon, ma. In previous class, we have seen, in previous class we have started with hydrogen spectrum. Okay, actually that hydrogen gas is taken in a container. That hydrogen gas, when it is heated, okay, from that one light is emitted. When that light is passed through prism, we will get spectrum on the screen. Okay, that spectrum is given by which element? Hydrogen element is heated at high temperature. That's why that spectrum is called hydrogen spectrum, like that we told. Now little bit more clarity you will get for today's class. One thing that is three classes totally. Friday class, Monday and Tuesday. Okay, these three classes I have sent for you some animated videos related to cathode rays discovery, properties of cathode rays, anode rays discovery, properties of anode rays, coming to Bohr's model, spectrum of hydrogen, okay, and how spectrum is observed, like line, gap, dark, that very black color, again line, how they are observing the spectrum, all these things I have sent some videos. I hope you watched all those things, na? And you got some clarity about even hydrogen spectrum also. I hope. Okay, today I will explain how that hydrogen spectrum is explained by Niels Bohr. But before that, what are the postulates of Niels Bohr? Already we explained. Okay, I think you have written in your notes also. Once go through them clearly. Okay, in by this end Saturday, one test you will write, ma, definitely. In that test I will include these properties of cathode rays, anode rays, and even discovery of structure of atom explanation by J. Thomson Rutherford's atomic model. Up to that maximum I will keep one test for you. Okay. Just your duty is go through them very clearly. Okay. Any sort of doubt you can reach me through WhatsApp. Definitely. Okay. Now I will continue with line spectrum of hydrogen today. Let us see. Okay, ma. See all of you. Now this is nucleus in hydrogen atom. I am considering one hydrogen atom. In that hydrogen atom, this is the nucleus. Electron is present in first shell. This is n is equal to 1. Already I told empty shells are also there. N is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6, like this continuation, etc. Like this, these are all empty shells, ma. These are all empty orbits or empty shells. Hydrogen has only one electron. That one electron is present in first shell only. Okay. Now for this hydrogen atom, I give some energy from outside. That energy is going to be absorbed by electron. By the absorption of that energy, this electron will be going to higher energy state. Some very high energy state. Let us consider, let it be 8. Okay, or otherwise 6 only. Sorry. Anything, no problem. Very high energy state also we can take, but by taking this 6 it is better. See, this electron which is present in ground state, it will be going to higher energy state, n is equal to 6. Now, in n is equal to 6 higher energy shell, that electron is not stable. Already I told. One example also I took. When our energy is increased, when we are very angry, we cannot take any small problem also, we cannot solve that one because we are not stable. Our energy is increased, correct or not? When higher energy state is there, stability is reduced. When we are in less energy state, our stability is more. So what this electron will do? This electron again it comes to ground state. Again it will come to ground state. But that electron which is present in 6th shell, 6th orbit, it can come to n is equal to 1 in different ways. That electron which is present in 6th orbit, it can come to ground state in different ways. How in different ways? Okay, let us see. Like this we have staircase. These are states, ma. Okay. one boy is coming here like this. That boy, if you observe, he will go to from first step to second step, second to third step, third to fourth, fourth to fifth. Like that he will go. One possibility. But finally, he has to reach here. This is the end point. Next, one more person. This is person A. This is person B. This person B, straightly he will go to like this. Without jumping on to second, third, fourth like that. Directly he will jump from first to fifth. Correct. These two are not only possibilities. Some more are there. One more person, C. This person C, he will first jump from fifth to fourth. Next, fourth to second, second to first, which is different from these two. Correct? Next, person D. Person D comes from fifth to third, third to second, second to first. See, different possibilities are there. Depending on his mindset, one person he will jump directly from B to fifth step to first step directly, without jumping on to third, fourth, fifth. Second, third, fourth. One person he will jump from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here. But my thing is, this person how much energy he will consume from fifth step to first step. Person B also will consume same energy only. Person C also from fifth step to first step same energy only he will consume. Even though they are following different ways, if you consider that person is jumping from fifth stair to first stair, same amount of energy will be released. Same amount of energy will be consumed or released. That is our general word. Now we are talking about electron. How this electron will come from n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 1. This is higher energy state and this is lower energy. Finally it has to come to lower energy, like this person. Now we will see that one. Okay, I will draw lines and I will show. That is better, because more lines we will get. That's why. Okay, let us see. This is n is equal to 6, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. For your understanding purpose, I took like this horizontal lines. Okay, I am going to rub this. Okay, see all of you. The electron which is present in 6th shell, it can come from 6th to 1st directly. Okay. Or it can come from 6th to 2nd and 2nd to 1st. That one also I will draw. No problem. In an order, first I will draw the lines. After that, meaningfully I will explain. Okay, let us see next. 6th to 2nd over, 6th to 3rd over, 6th to 4th over, 6th to 5th. Okay, next. 5th to 1st, 5th to 2nd, 5th to 3rd, 5th to 4th. Next. 4th to 1st, 4th to 2nd, 4th to 3rd. Next. next fourth to warm, third to first, third to second. Okay, next second to first. Okay, see the observation, all of you. Now, what did I say? Please observe carefully, ma. Electron is present in sixth shell. Okay, it can jump from sixth to first directly. Next, that sixth to fifth it can jump. Sorry, sixth to second, ma. See, 6 to 2 and 2 to 1. Here itself I can write 2 to 1, but you will get confusion. We will get confusion definitely, because sixth to second, second to first. Here we have second to first. Na? Finally, the electron should come to first only. Definitely we have to remember that electron present in sixth shell, it can come from sixth to first in these many possibilities. See how many lines we are getting. We will think that simply sixth to first, one jump it will do, but simply one jump it will not do. Sometimes it will do in different ways. That one I am going to explain now. See here. First possibility, sixth to 1. Next possibility, sixth to 2, 2 to 1. Next possibility, sixth to third, correct? Sixth to third, third to first, or third to second, second to first. Third to second, second to first. Next, sixth to fourth, sixth to fourth. Next, fourth to first, fourth to second, second to first. Fourth to third, third to second, sorry, third to first, third to second, second to first. All the ways. Correct, ma? Are you understanding, ma? Next, sixth to fifth. From fifth again, it can use directly. From fifth, it can jump to first orbit again directly. Or fifth to second, it can come. Second to first, it can go. Or fifth to fourth, it can fifth to third, ma. Third to first. Next, fifth to fourth and fourth to first. That fourth to first again, it can go by fourth to third, third to second, or fourth to third, third to second, second to first, or fourth to third, third to first. It can come from high energy to lower energy in these many lines. Okay, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 possibilities that electron will use to come from 6th level to 1st level. To come from 6th level to 1st level. Okay, so how many lines we will observe on spectrum? Totally 15 lines we can see. Sir, how 15 lines? Okay, that clarity is see all of you. This is the hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom. This is another hydrogen atom. This is the container. This container is heated by producing electrical energy. This container is heated by producing electrical energy. In every atom, electron is excited to 6th energy state. Electron is present in 6th energy state. N is equal to 6. First, this is first atom, this is second atom, this is third atom. Okay, like that 15 atoms are there. How many atoms, ma? 15 atoms. Just imagine 15 atoms are there. Let us see. These 15 atoms present in this container are heated. Okay, in every atom we are providing same energy, na? That's why that electron which is present in lower energy will be excited to 6th energy state only. We are supplying energy. How much energy is supplied? By using that energy, electron is excited to 6th energy state only. All the atoms, 15 atoms present in hydrogen, electrons present in ground energy, one electron is there, na? 15 electrons. Okay, first atom electron is excited to 6th state. Second atom electron also excited to 6th state. This is nucleus. Like that, 15 atoms, one electron, they are excited from lower energy n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 6. Now, every atom contains electron in 6th energy state. That one you can imagine. Okay, ma? Now, see. First atom, electron comes from 6th energy to ground state directly by using this one. By using this possibility, first atom electron will come to ground energy directly. N is equal to 6 to n is equal to 1. Okay, next. Second one, it will use this possibility. 6th to 2 to 1. 6th to 2 to 1. Are you understanding, ma? First electron present in first atom, it will jump from 6th to first directly. Next, second electron present in second atom, will come from 6th to second to first. Meanwhile, a little bit, nearly 1 nanosecond, it will just stop at second level. 6th to second to first. How many lines there we will get? 2 lines. Because of this atom, we will get 2 lines. What are those 2 lines, ma? 6th to second to first. Because of first electron directly jumps from 6th to 1 only, na? We will get 1 line. Like that, depending on electron present in different atoms. Okay, they will come from 6th to first level by 15 different ways. By 15 different ways. Now observe this one. When electron comes from n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 1, energy released. Okay, ma? Okay, see. When electron comes from 6th to first, some energy is released. E1. When electron comes from 6th to second, E2. When electron comes from second to first, E3. Next, E4. E4 means 6th to third. Okay, next, third to second, E5, E6. Like that, how many energies are there, ma? 15 energies. E7, E8, E9, E10, E11, E12, E13, E14, E15. This total amount of energy is emitted out. This total, how many energies, ma? 15 energies. Sir, why we are telling 15 energies? When electron jumps from 6 to first, one type of energy will be released. Okay. When electron jumps from 6 to second, one energy is released. It is not same with 6 to 1, because here this is 6 to 2. Up to here some amount of energy is released. 2 to 1, that is again some amount of energy. See, this is some amount of energy. This is E3. Next, this is E4. This is E5. Like that, how many energies released, ma? Totally 15 energies are released out. See, This is hydrogen container. Hydrogen container contains hydrogen gas. It is heated by passing electrical energy. Okay. From this hydrogen gas, how many energies are released? E1, E2, E3 like that up to E15. Some amount of energy like this, it comes out. E1, E2, E3, total amount of energy. See, E1 plus, E2 plus, E3 plus, E4 plus, like the totally all the 15 energies are added and it is coming out like this. Total E1 plus, E2 plus, E3. This is total amount of energy which is coming out. This is passed through prism. This energy is passed through prism. Okay, now what it will do? All the E1 to E5 or the E15 are there, na? All the energies are splitted. E1 to E15 combinedly they are coming out from hydrogen atom. Okay, now they are passed through prism. We kept screen here. All the E1 to E15 energies, when they pass through prism, they are splitted and they are fallen on screen. How many lines, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this, 15 lines you will get with gaps. Okay, that is hydrogen spectrum when electron jumps from 6th energy to 1st energy. When electron jumps from 6th energy to 1st energy. We will do same experiment with another hydrogen gas, okay, by supplying little amount of energy. Because of that energy supplied is required to excite the electron up to 5th level only. From 5th to 1st, some different number of lines we will get. This is from 6th to 1st. How many lines we are getting? 15 lines. Before entering into prism, this is totally 15 lines, 15 energies or some bunch of energy like this. When it is passed through prism, all are splitting into 15 lines. Okay, ma? See, heated by using electrical energy. This electrical energy is going to heat the hydrogen gas. Because of that heating at high energy, that hydrogen is going to release total amount of energy, that is E1 plus E2 plus E3, like this. Every line is resembling one energy, ma. Okay, this total E1 plus E2 plus E3, like that 15 energies, when they are passed through prism, that is split into E1, E2, E3 like that, different lines. Okay, all the lines are formed on screen, which is formed as spectrum. That is called hydrogen spectrum. That is called hydrogen spectrum. Okay, now what is happening here? In this gas container, how many atoms of hydrogen are there? How many atoms? Some crores of hydrogen atoms might be there. Okay, in one hydrogen atom, electron is jumped from 6th to 1st. In one hydrogen atom, electron is jumped from 6th to 2nd, 2nd to 1st. In another hydrogen atom, 6th to 4th, 4th to 2nd, 2nd to 1st. Like that in different ways. But even crores of hydrogen atoms are there, we will not get crores of lines. Why? These 15 are there, na? They are repeated with next 15. They are repeated with next 15. Like this, one line to 15 lines. Only 15 lines we will observe. Because this is the probability when electron jumps from 6th to 1st energy, we can observe. Okay, ma? I hope you are clear about this one. Observe the diagram, all of you. One small thing I would like to say, that is, this much clear explanation nowhere you will get definitely. Because some students, they will get doubt. Okay sir, one atom you have taken, one electron will be excited to 6th, okay. It can jump from 6th to 1st or 6th to 5th and 5th to 1st. Like that, any one possibility it will use. But why we are getting these many lines? It is not in one atom. When we take group of atoms, because when we take here hydrogen gas, it is not one atom, very large number of atoms we have, correct or not? So in one atom it will jump from 6th to 1st. In another atom it will jump from 6th to 5th, 5th to 4th, 4th to 3rd, 3rd to 2nd, 2nd to 1. Like that, how many possibilities it is giving? 5 possibilities. Like that, 1 possibility, 5, 6. Like that, we will get finally 15 lines. How many lines? 15 lines. Okay, see ma. One more time. 6th to 5th. Next. 5th to 4th. 4th to 3rd. 3rd to 2nd. 2nd to 1st. This is also one of the possibilities they can use. So in one atom, if one electron uses this possibility, how many lines we are getting? This is one energy. This is another energy. This is E10. This is E11. This is E12. This is E13. This is E14. Like this, how many energies are released by one electron? 5 lines. These 5 lines are formed on screen. If another electron also, it is repeated like this, same energy will be fallen there, na? So same line is repeated. Like that, totally, how many lines, only possibilities are there? 15 lines only. Even crores of atoms if you take, and they are heated, we will get finally 15 lines when electron jumps from 6th level to 1st level. Are you okay, ma? Okay. This is clear for you. I hope you are clear. The diagram previously, without this one, previously what is the diagram, neatly you can write. Okay. Now I will show one more time. See. Totally how many lines we will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this, totally on a screen we will see 15 lines. Background screen. Okay. This is, imagine here I kept hydrogen gas. From here I provided electrical energy. By heating that, this hydrogen gas is going to emit totally 15 energies from different electrons. Okay. That 15 energies combined, it is coming out and it is passed through prism. At once if it is passed through prism, they are splitted and they are fallen on screen like 15 lines. This is called line spectrum of hydrogen. This is called line spectrum of hydrogen. Okay, ma? But one thing is, all the 15 lines with our eyes we cannot see. All the 15 lines with our eyes we cannot see. Okay, that one also I will say. Before that, I hope up to this you are clear about this one, ma? Okay. Now let us see. I told 15 lines are formed. Na? These 15 lines we cannot see with our naked eye. That means with our eyes we cannot see. Only few lines we can see. Sir, what is this only few lines we can see? That one I will say. Let us see. One question I would like to ask, ma. Surrounding us, nothing is there. Surrounding us, nothing is there. If I say the statement, do you believe that one? We don't. Because surrounding us, nothing is there means, sir, these cupboards, like that, benches are there, like that we can feel. But between that bench and ourselves, we have air. It is not visible. Correct or not? Air is not visible. But we have to believe air is there because we are feeling that one. We are breathing oxygen, exhaling carbon dioxide. like that we are just surviving because of air. Correct or not? Like that, surrounding us, no radiation is there. Like that, if I say, do you believe? Definitely not. We are surrounded by highly phone radiation. Is it correct or not? But are we able to see phone radiation? No. Simply we are dialing from here. The person who is there, he is lifting the phone. Are we able to see any radiation passing from here to there? No. So in our universe, different types of radiations we have. Those are also energies only. Different types of radiations we have. Those are also energies only. But all the radiations we are not able to see. We are able to see only one type of radiation, that is visible radiation, which is VGR. We are able to see only VGR. Okay, from here to here we are able to see. Before that VGR we have UV rays. Before that VGR we have UV rays, ultraviolet rays. After that VGR we have IR, infrared rays. These rays we are not able to see. UV radiations we are not able to see. Cosmic rays we are not able to see. X-rays we are not able to see. These are all different types of energy forms. Are you understanding, ma? These are all different types of energies. We are not able to see. We are able to see only small part, that is called visible. This one clearly I will give explanation in electromagnetic radiation. Okay, after this class, wave nature. After Bohr's model, we will start with wave nature. Okay, at the time this this electromagnetic radiation clearly I will explain. Before that, let us see. Once again I am drawing n is equal to 6, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. Okay, see, from 6 to 1, 5 to 1, 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1. These are all whatever the higher energy might be. Okay, if they come from higher energy to this n is equal to 1, this series was given by scientist Lyman. It was given by Lyman, but explained by Niels Bohr. That's why we are explaining under Niels Bohr only. But the experiment was done by Lyman. That's why this series is called Lyman series. What is that? Lyman series. Next. Six to 2, 5 to 2, 4 to 2, 3 to 2. This series, whatever the higher energy might be, lower energy is 2. Lower energy is 2. This series is called Balmer series. This series is called Balmer series. Next, 6 to 3, 5 to 3, 4 to 3. This series is called Passion. Next, 6 to 4, 5 to 4. This series is called Bracket. Six to 5, that is called Fund series. P is silent, fund. Okay. note down this in your classwork neatly like this. This is Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket, fund. Pronunciation is fund, but not P fund. Fund. P is silent. Okay. Whereas scientists, they have gone through these researches. Whatever the higher energy might be, if lower energy is n is equal to 1, that series is given by Lyman. N is equal to 2, lower energy. High energy might be whatever it is. Sima, 6th to 1. This type of representation is also correct. Previously I wrote one representation, or this representation also, we will get 15 lines only. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Anything is same only. Suppose you want to say directly 6 to first. Okay, next 6 to 5 and 5 to 1. Next 6 to 4, 4 to 1, or 4 to 2, 4 to 2, here you will be one. Where is 4 to 2? 1 minute. See, 4 to 2. Next 3 to 2. Like this, by using all these possibilities, that electron present in 6th orbit, it will come to 1st orbit. Totally how many lines we are getting? These 15 lines in the form of one energy it is coming out. When it is passed through prism, again they are split into 15 lines. Okay? Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket, fund. Okay, this representation you can draw in like this now. This hydrogen gas is heated. You will get these 15 energies combinedly we are getting out, and when it is passed through prism, it is split into 15 lines. That is about clear. Okay, now out of these 15 lines, Lyman series is absorbed in UV region. Lyman series is absorbed in UV light. It is not visible to our eyes. Lyman series lines are there, means high energy to first level. We cannot see those lines. Under UV light only we can see. Okay, next. Balmer visible region. Paschen near infrared. Bracket infrared. Fund far infrared. See totally 15 lines you will get na. Out of 15 lines, which series of lines are only visible to us directly, without any external help, without any device help? Microorganisms are present, but directly if you see with our eyes, we cannot see them. With the help of microscope, we are able to see. Correct or not? Like that, without anything, with our direct eyes, we can see only Balmer lines. What are those Balmer lines? See, those are 4 lines. So out of 15 lines, actually all the 15 lines are there only. See, this is like a screen. We are able to see directly 4 lines only, because these are under visible region. Remaining 11 lines are not visible to us. If you want to see those 11 lines, what we have to do? If you keep it on UV light, you will see 5 lines again. On the same screen, if you keep UV light, 5 lines are visible. If you keep near infrared light, near infrared means Paschen series. Paschen series, how many are there? 3 lines. If you keep near infrared light, means that light which is matched with that near infrared, if you keep on that screen, we can see 3 lines. If you keep infrared light, you can see 2 lines. Okay, not in the same place. If suppose these 4 lines are observed like this, when we keep direct light, okay, if you keep UV light, these are not visible again. and reveal light, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in different place. These are not visible again. These 5. Next 4. Like that, by using one different light, we are able to see totally 15 lines. Okay. Now finally, fun series. Fun series line is observed in only one line. Only one line is observed. That is also under infrared region, far infrared region. Okay. Like that, to see 15 lines at a time, it is not possible for us. Because out of 15 lines, with our eyes directly, if you see like this on screen, it is visible with only 4 lines. Those 4 lines are Balmer series lines. Those are from 6 to 2, 5 to 2, 4 to 2 and 3 to 2. That energies are only visible. That lines. Remaining lines are not visible. Remaining lines, if you want to see different regions, we have to use. This is about complete explanation regarding hydrogen spectrum. When electron jumps from 6th energy to lower energy, n is equal to 1. Sometimes electron can be excited to 5th also. If 5th energy is there, that one also I will show now. Okay, before that, this diagram, that series of scientists, and in which region they are visible. Lyman series UV, Balmer series visible, Paschen series near infrared, Brackett series infrared, Fund series far infrared. Okay, ma. All the regions and those those observation regions, everything write neatly, clearly, all of you. Okay. Now, if electron jumps from 5th energy to 1st energy level, how many lines we will see? That one we will consider now. Let us see. This is hydrogen gas. This time I supplied little amount of electrical energy when compared to previous condition. Then electron is not excited to 6th level, it is excited to only 5th level. I think you understood, ma. Whatever the energy we are supplying, according to that only excited state, higher energy state can be decided. Okay, so from 5th level, this 5th level to ground level, we are getting all the combined energy from out. This is combined energy. When it is passed through prism, we will get lines. How many lines we will get? See. This is n is equal to 5, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 1. This is not required, na? Okay, now 5 to 1, 4 to 1, 3 to 1, 2 to 1. Next. 4 to 2, sorry, 5 to 2, 4 to 2, 3 to 2. Next. 5 to 3, 4 to 3. Next. 5 to 4. How many lines, ma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines. So we will see on screen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 lines. Out of 10 lines, 4 lines are UV region. This is Lyman. 3 lines are Balmer series, visible region. Next, 2 lines are Paschen, means near infrared. 1 line is Brackett, that is infrared. For 5 to ground energy state, we will not observe Fund series. When we can observe Fund series? When it is very high amount of energy to 5th energy. Then 5th energy only. Then only the transmission will be observed. Here 5th energy itself final state. Then we cannot say from higher to 5th energy. Okay, ma. So only 4 series. Totally how many lines, ma? 10 lines. 4 UV, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So for this, every time no need to do calculate drawing like this, we have one formula, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. What is that? N into n minus 1 by 2. Here in this condition, what is that n? N is higher energy level. From which energy level it is jumped to first energy? That is that one, n value 5. Keep 5 here. 5 into 5 minus 1 by 2. 5 into 4 by 2. 2 2s 5 2s 10. See, 10 lines. Like this we can do with 6 also. 6 into 6 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6 into 5 by 2. 2 3s, 3 5s, 15. See, previously we got 15 lines. Now we got 10 lines. So this is the formula which we can use for, I am going to rub this one now. Write this formula for number of lines obtained when electron jumps from higher energy n to lower energy n is equal to 1 is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. This is the formula you can keep, and you can keep it in box. By using this formula, higher energy n, we have to keep 5 means 5 here, 6 means 6 here. Then 5 means from 5 to 1, 10 lines we will get. From 6 to 1, we will get 15 lines. Like that from 7 into 7 minus 1 by 2, 7 into 6 by 2, 2 3s, 7 3s, 18 lines, 21 now. 7 3s, 21 lines. When electron jumps from 7 to 1, we will get 21 lines. Like that, depending on electron transmission from higher energy to lower energy, n is equal to 1, number of lines will be varied. Okay, this is about today's class, which is line spectrum of hydrogen. I hope you are very clear about the class which is completed today. Okay, furthermore, once again I will go through this one after completion of electromagnetic radiation. I will give a reminder to you. Okay, ma? I hope you are clear. This is about today's class, ma. Thank you all.